Hello everyone, it's Brandy here, and I am so excited. Our registration is open for the Creativate online stamping retreat. Our event is coming up really quick. It's January 19th and 20th. We are so excited. It's our 16th retreat. We've been doing these retreats for over 3 years, and many of you have joined us, and I hope that you've loved every single one of them. And if you're new to our Creativate retreats and you're like, okay, what exactly is that? Well, it's a virtual online stamping event. We come to you in your home. You can join us with an amazing community of crafters, meet some other friends who just love stamping as much as you do and as much as we do. It is just a lot of fun. So we have about, we've got 48 tutorials for you. So that is a lot of ideas and a lot of inspiration that's going to carry you for weeks to come. You can stamp with us, or you can just wait and stamp at your own leisure. You have unlimited access to the BrandysCards Creativate Retreat webpage once you register. So there's no need to hurry through any of that. The idea is to inspire you to go and to create, to use what you have. Use your own paper, ink, stamps, and just get creating. We want to bring you the idea and then just watch you create with it. So it's really a lot of fun. One of the things that I love is we have challenges. Now these challenges, they're optional. The pre-retreat challenges, they're totally optional. My challenge just posted first, and it was so much fun going to the Creativate private Facebook group and seeing all the amazing cards that y'all have created. I'm so excited and inspired just to see that, I've shared an idea and you guys have just ran with it. It is phenomenal. So just so much fun. So if you are registered with Creativate and you're a part of a Facebook, you can certainly join that group and go and enjoy all of those cards being shared. It is pretty amazing. But again, it's optional, so you don't have to do those, but they are available to you and they post each Monday before the retreat. So you can just kind of dust off your stamps and you can get ready for our virtual stamping event on the 19th and 20th. Now, there are 8 presentations that will be available to you via YouTube, so you can join us from Canada, Australia, wherever you would like. So those will be on YouTube, so you will have links to those. And of course, those links to download those PDF tutorials. Now, we do have door prizes. Yes, we have 32 door prizes. So anybody who registers, whether you're from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Great Britain, wherever it is from, you are in. If you have registered, you will be in the drawing to win one of our door prizes, which will be pretty awesome. It'll be a free registration into the spring 2024 retreat. So you'll have lots of stamping and ideas and inspiration to come. So just a lot of fun. Each Creativate leader does have their own unique link to register. So if you haven't already registered, I'd be so grateful if you would consider registering with me. I'd love to have you as a guest of BrandysCards. And if you have already registered, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I'd love for you to leave a comment. Let others know how you feel about the Creativate retreats and how much fun you've had. It is just so neat to see. Some people have joined us all 16 retreats. Some have joined us for 4 or 5 and said they'll never miss it. And others have joined us and gone back and purchased some of our other retreats from the past. Yeah, those are available. So how do you register for the retreat? Go to BrandysCards.com/Creativate. That's right, BrandysCards.com/Creativate, and it's there that you will find the link to get registered. So don't delay. Make sure you go do it right away so you can jump in on those challenges, get in on that crafting community on Facebook, and get yourself all ready for a super fun weekend. So save the dates, January 19th and 20th. And I'm so excited, and I hope to see you there. Take care, everybody. Bye now.